Hi, I'm Art, and these are my paving stones. They look really nice, but when they're wet, they're really slippery. They've taken a number of casualties over the years. I've slipped over on them, my kids have slipped over on them. So I'm going to be using Resene Non-Skid Deck Path to spruce these up and give them some texture so they won't be slippery when they're wet. So there we have it, problem solved. These paving stones now look great, and the texture from the Resene Non-Skid Deck Path means that they won't be slippery when they're wet.